Hello friends, I am BM. Today I'm going to show you how to add IP camera or install IP camera. Just simple one click. Click on this plus icon for add IP camera. Okay. Now you see here IP camera IP address. Now click on search. Okay. Now you see IP shown here. Wait for complete this process. Now you click on this IP. After this, click on add. Now you see on the screen camera is added. Okay. Now double click on it. Check camera is added successfully. Okay. Now you see on the screen camera is added successfully. That's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.